everyone, my name is Zanele. I cook for a living. So tonight, I'm hosting my friends for the game night. Of course, hosting can be very daunting if you're not used to. But with Stella, it just raises the moment. So I'm going to make some nice sticky chicken wings to serve my friends. I chose chicken wings because they are my favorite and everyone would love them. And they are finger food. It's a game night after all. This is my stock. I like making my own stock. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add in the chicken wings to boil. So while it's busy cooking, I'm gonna start mixing the marinade. And it's got a twist. It's Stella to elevate my recipe. Now I'm going to add sugar because I'm going to add chilies. They must be sweet and spicy. Paprika for the color, it gives it that rich red. The chicken spice, we are making chicken wings after all. The garlic. You don't cook it on high heat because you don't want it to burn. You just want it to simmer and start to reduce. Now that my sauce has reduced, I'm going to add back the chicken wings so it can cook nicely together. So the sauce goes into the wings and the wings goes into the sauce and it's all well balanced. I'm gonna let them simmer for 2 to 5 minutes. My chicken wings are ready. Now I have potato wedges, sticky chicken wings. Of course, I have a little bit of a sauce to dip the potato wedges and Stella beer. Now, I can't wait to host my friend. Let's raise the moment with Stella Artois.